Training your feline, mastering the litter box.
Hello, fellow cat lovers. Today, we'll be discussing a crucial aspect of cat ownership, training your cat to use the litter box properly. Not only is this important for maintaining a clean and hygienic home, but it's also vital to your cat's comfort and well-being.
Why is proper litter box training important?
Before diving into the techniques, let's understand why it's so crucial to get this right. 1. Health. Proper litter box usage helps monitor your cat's health. Changes in your cat's litter box habits can indicate health issues. 2. Hygiene. A well-trained cat ensures a cleaner, more sanitary living environment. 3. Behavior. Successful litter box training helps avoid behavioral issues related to inappropriate elimination.
Choosing the right litter box.
The first step to successful litter box training is choosing the right litter box. Consider the following factors. Size. The box should be large enough for your cat to turn around comfortably. Entrance. If your cat is young, old, or has mobility issues, ensure the box is easy to enter and exit. Covered versus uncovered. Some cats prefer privacy, while others might feel trapped in a covered box.
The ideal litter box location.
The next important aspect is deciding on the right location for the litter box. Quiet, low-traffic areas are preferable, so your cat feels safe and isn't disturbed while using the box. Avoid placing the litter box near your cat's food and water dishes.
Selecting appropriate cat litter.
The type of litter can also affect your cat's willingness to use the box. Most cats prefer unscented, clumping litter, but you might need to experiment to find your cat's preference. Keep the litter box clean by scooping daily and completely changing the litter regularly.
Steps to train your cat.
Here are some tips to train your cat to use the litter box. 1. Positive reinforcement. Reward your cat with praise, petting, or treats when they use the litter box correctly. 2. Patience. Never punish your cat for accidents. This can create fear and avoidance of the litter box. Remember, every cat is unique, and what works for one may not work for another. Patience and understanding are crucial in this process. With the right approach and a little time, your feline friend will become a litter box pro. Hope this guide helps in creating a harmonious living space for you and your furry companion.